Hello guys, Pablo here. Welcome to this new lesson. We'll be looking into adding custom setting pages and creating custom settings for our plugin. So as you can see here, I've added a new page in my settings menu and I added two fields onto this page. We're just going to focus on this part in this lesson, but in the upcoming lessons we'll be looking at other aspects of this Zemba wishlist plugin. What this does, it adds a widget to our articles that allow us to add these articles to our wish list. If they've been added already, it's going to tell us they've been added. So we're saving here per user options, right? If I'm not logged in, it's going to say that I'm not logged in, and once I log in, it's going to show whether I've added these or not. Also, when I log into my dashboard, it's going to show me a list of articles that I've selected as favorites or wanted. But yeah, as I said, we're just going to focus on the settings admin part in this lesson. So let's get our hands dirty with some coding. Alright, so we have the file called zembawishlist.php. The first thing we need to do is add the menu option and create the actual page. It's going to be an empty page at the beginning. We're going to add this action called admin menu, which is executed when the menus are initiated. We need to create now a function with this name, function, and in here we're going to type this WordPress function called add options page. The first parameter is the title of the page, title as in HTML head title. The second parameter is what we see on the menu itself. We also need to add the name of the permission that the user needs to have in order to access this page and to view this page. So that's going to be manage options for all of these setting pages. This is just a short a slag, like a short name for the menu used internally, and we specify the method, the function that's going to be called when you open this page. If I just reload this in here, we'll see that we've been able to add a new page, and the title is shown on the tab title, but we now need to add the actual fields for this page. Before adding the fields, we need to register these settings. We can't just add fields and save stuff that hasn't been registered in WordPress. So we're going to run this this action called admin init. This is executed when the settings part is initiated, and this is the method that we'll be creating now, function. And what we'll do here is register two settings. One of them is going to be the title shown to the user in their dashboards when they log in, and the other one is the number of elements that they're going to be able to see. By calling register settings, register setting, we can add these settings so they'll be available for the user to modify. We still need to show them. They're not going to be shown yet, but they will be allowed if you happen to show them in a form. It's also necessary to specify a group of settings. In this case, we're just going to have this group shown here. And now it's time to actually show the form and save our settings.